Hi, Renee here from my crafty table. I'm back with some more cards that I have made out of this paper pad that I shared with earlier. For the month of June, I'm trying to use this paper pad to increase the amount of cards that I have in my card stash. I wanted to go ahead and start off with this card. I wanted to add ribbon. I really do enjoy adding ribbon and making my card fronts dimensional. Add in some of this beige color trim and then this lace along with a little bow that I tied back there. There are some flat back pearls that I glued on into the center of those roses. Overall, this card is very simple. I left the inside blank. I'm not certain of what sentiment I want to add in yet, but it will be finished. Let me share with you. This is the paper. I wish this was a 12 by 12. That is so gorgeous. Another one that I put together, and I struggled with this one, is this sympathy card. I wanted to add in some dimension again on this card. I bought a floral bunch from the Dollar Tree last year, so I pulled apart all the petals and layered two of them together, put a flat back pearl in the center of that. On the inside, I just stamped out "My heart goes out to you during this difficult time." You'll see that I did fussy cut this paper because I really did not know how to use this. I'll show you the sheet. To me, it looked like fish scales, and I think that's what threw me off. So this here, I went ahead and I just fussy cut around. I also tried to do the watercolor smushing technique in the background. Not certain. I know this is definitely not one of my favorite cards that I've made. That Let's Celebrate came from this. I believe this is a Hampton Art, and I did get this at Tuesday morning. Oh, it's a jelly bean soup stamp set. So that's what is on there. The sympathy stamp came from this Recollections, and I used this "My Heart Goes Out to You," and let's see, Sending Sympathy. I can't remember where I got that one from. I wanted to go ahead and use some more trim on my card front, so I decided to make the most out of this tulip. I love that print, the tulip print, like a crochet doily. I got these both from the Dollar Tree. The layers on here to stand out a bit, and so I roughened up the edges using my Tim Holtz paper distresser on this dry embossed paper, beige color cardstock, and then just something to lay as a mat I got from another paper pad. And this here is Heidi Swap. You can recognize the font of that die cut, and just this triangular shape to create a second card identical but a different color scheme. And I like the colors of this. It really helps that happy stand out. I use some more scrap trim, and then as a mat I put a gray polka dot paper down. So maybe one could be a birthday card and the other one could be the happy for you if I could find the right sentiment. But I do like the way those came out. Here's that Heidi Swap die cut that I got from Tuesday morning. Now, one of the papers in this pad was my absolute favorite. I love those little hummingbirds. I wanted to showcase those birds, so this was the easiest way for me to put it on a card. I like the color combination of this card, the cornflower blue and then the pink. The inside is blank. Again, some of these cards I will definitely have to go back and finish up, and I'll do that. It's just I'm having a hard time. I guess I'm second guessing myself lately on what sentiments to use on the inside. Here is that paper that I used, and the thanks comes from this little yellow bicycle die set that I got from Tuesday morning. I'm really trying hard to make all of my cards one of a kind, so I hope you continue watching and see what else I create out of this paper pad that I'm challenging myself to use for the month of June. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you come back. Bye!